I have a millionaire mind. My inner world creates my outer world. If you want to change the visible, first change the invisible inside of my own head. I live in a world of cause and effect. Money is a result, wealth is a result, health is a result, and illness is a result. I have control over the cause. I have a millionaire mind. My thoughts lead to my feelings. My feelings lead to my actions. My actions leads to my result. I choose to adopt new ways of thinking about money that supports my happiness and success. I release my non-supportive money experiences from the past and create a new rich future. I observe my thoughts and actions so I live from true choice in the present moment rather than being run by programming from the past. I am keenly aware of my thoughts and entertain only those that empower me. I choose to think in ways that support my happiness and success. I am the creator of my life and my financial success. I am committed to financial abundance. I have a millionaire mind. I am fully, totally, and truly committed to creating wealth. I am paid in direct proportion to the value I deliver to the marketplace. I focus on finding the many financial opportunities all around me because I have a millionaire mind. I admire, applaud, and learn from other rich and successful people. I love to associate with positive, successful, and financially abundant people. I appreciate rich and successful people. If they can do it, I can do it too. I have a millionaire mind. I am willing and eager to promote myself and my value. I am promote my value to others with passion and enthusiasm. Leaders earn lot of money than followers. I am a leader. I have a millionaire mind. I am excellent receiver of financial abundance. I am worthy. I am open, willing, and ready to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I have a millionaire mind. I focus on building my net worth. I manage my money well. I am excellent money manager. I put my money to work for me. I have a millionaire mind. I take actions in spite of fear. Action is a bridge between my inner world and my outer world. I act in spite of doubt. I act in spite of worry. I act in spite of the inconvenience. I act when I am not in the mood because I have a millionaire mind. Training and managing my own mind is the most important skill I will ever learn. I am committed to consistently and growing. I am get paid to get paid the best. I must be the best. I have a millionaire mind.